In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A31, and let me show you how to change keyboard dictionary on the following device. So first of all, just open the messages, then tap on a new one, and as you can see currently we are set up with English. If you'd like to change it, just tap on the settings, go to languages and types, click on current one. As you can see here, you can change the keyboard layout, and if you would like to manage language, just click on manage input languages, and here you've got the whole list of languages. You have plenty of them. You can download some of the languages which are not available right now, and let me choose for example Portuguese. Just mark it, then you can switch English off, or maybe Armenian will be more visible, so you will see the proper difference. And now let's go back, and as you can see the language has been changed. Then whenever you'd like to go back to English or maybe change language one more time to any other language, just click on the settings, go to languages and types, manage languages, and mark the one that you would like to apply. And this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.